Dang, check out this quadruple stack burger right here from Lotteria. So apparently today's the 29th, and 29 is a hominin for the word meat. So they're doing a special today, and we got the crispy crunchy fries today. Let's see how this tastes. Golden fries, crispy, but a bit soft. Reminds you of McDonald's fries, not too bad. But look at this burger with the cheese and melted shredded beef on top of more beef. Well, this is what it looks like. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, that's a patty right there.